All right. Hey guys. So we're back today, and I ran into something unexpected. My friend came over and he said that his Canon 80D hasn't been working properly for the last few weeks. I mean, it just died on him, basically bricked. And so um, called me up and he's like, dude, I think I need a new battery. My battery's shot. And I said, well, my EOS R takes the same battery. Why don't you come over? We'll try the battery and you could figure out whether or not it's the battery. So he came up and we took the battery out, we threw it in, and lo and behold, boom, still not working. I know, you thought I was going to say it was going to work, right? Well, no, it's not working. So we said, let's think about this a little bit. He did say that it just died on him and it was working for an hour straight before it died. So that didn't really make too much sense. And I'm kind of thinking like, I think it's the battery door. So of course we jump on YouTube, we take a look, and there's a bunch of people saying, hey, my 70D, the battery door sensor, okay, when you open it up, there's a little sensor right there that picks up a little nub and lets you know if your battery door is open or closed, because your camera won't turn on if your battery door is open. And it's the same with my EOS R. So the battery door has got to be shut, but that didn't work. And I was like, dude, what is up with this? It's so weird. So then I thought maybe the SD card reader door, which I didn't think would make an effect whether or not if your camera would turn on or not. I really totally didn't. But so I took a little mini screwdriver and I went where the little sensor is and I crossed the bridge on it. And lo and behold, I got a light that just popped on, and then the camera just popped on with the battery in there. It literally just turned right on. So I shorted it out, made it look like the door was closed, and the camera just started right up. And I was like, dude, this is the problem. It's the SD card, which I would have never thought would have caused the problem. So basically, we just had to figure out what was going on with this. So boom, I jumped back on and just started Googling the SD card and what was the fix. Because I thought maybe we'd have to go in and take a look at a couple things and make an adjustment. But no, it really wasn't much of an adjustment at all. It was more just like showing you how to shut the SD card reader door in a much better way. All right, so let me show you exactly what I'm talking about, what this all looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of me and I just wanna show you this other camera here. Okay, so here's the camera itself. And I'm gonna point out the couple parts with my little screwdriver. So here is the little nub right here that gets picked up with the sensor that's right here when you close the door. Okay, so basically they have to meet. So all the fix was to close the door first all the way, put a little pressure on it, and then push forward. And that was it. That was the difference. So we literally just did that, and that was it. The light came on, everything came on, and that was the fix for the camera. All right. So basically, it was just showing you how to shut the door and make that connection a little bit more complete. Shut the door first, slide the SD card, it was shut the door first and then slide it forward. And literally we just did that and the camera turned on and we were like blown away. This is something that happens common with the battery door, but I haven't seen any videos or anything talking about this is happening with the SD card reader door, which is new to me. So if this helps people out, give a like and subscribe. And I hope this figures a lot of people's problems out and they're not having to take their Canon 80D or 70D to Canon and get it fixed for a few $100s when this is something that will be a fix, and just check that problem out also. So good luck. See you on the next one.